So I am currently standing at the demolished part of Centenary City, okay? And there have been videos going around saying that the whole of Centenary City is going to be demolished. Around 200 buildings will be demolished, all right? So in this video, I'll be explaining why this part of Centenary City was demolished, why these buildings were brought down. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll also be doing a drive-through video to show you that not all parts of Centenary City was destroyed, and just this part of Centenary City. There is a lot of stories concerning this part of Centenary City that was being demolished. So like I said, there are a lot of stories from different sources that are going around concerning this demolition, okay? And the way I observed it, they only demolished the uncompleted buildings, which they said were used by kidnappers or for kidnapping hideouts. All right, so as you can see, some of these fine houses are still standing, but the only buildings that were demolished were the uncompleted ones. All right, but according to my source here, the developers said that this demolition was done illegally by the government. All right, and this place was given to Ndiago Amici as compensation for, acquiring Centenary City. So some of these people, some of the villagers or some of the communities sold this land without some of the elders' acknowledgement. So there is a lot of stories going around concerning this property. So some of them were not aware that these lands were sold. The story is too long. So I'll be going right back to when Jim Obodo acquired this property for IMT. He wanted to use it for school. So there is a developer that spoke to us about it, and I'll be playing his voice record.
The name was Unitech. And later they changed the name to Asutech, Anambra University of Technology. Okay, Asutech. Now they used Jim Obodo, just opened the school, was using IMT premises, IMT facilities to run the university. Alright? And he was on that, acquired this place, intending for this place to be a permanent site. Unfortunately, what happened in 1970, not 79, he came in 79. 1983, he lost the election and the military came in. All right? Now, they didn't, there was no structure here. Absolutely, that was not. Architect continued. Are you comfortable with any? Yes. Okay. You know SMC? Yeah. It was originally there was not there. They started electing structures there. But post-study IMC was having their temporized. And when Jim moved to left by 1983, there was no structure there. They continued with the IMT premises. Now, when Jim Aloke came by 1999, all right?
Okay, that's after the military.
After the military, he came in 1999. And the building politician, being what he built, there was no structure here at the permanent site. He got to move a suit to Abani, his hometown.
Yes.
Now, this place is the main father. Logically, what is supposed to be? It's supposed to return to the original owner, isn't it?
Yes.
Since the intention to acquire the thing did not work out. So the normal thing is supposed to be for the government, for the locals to take back their land.
Yeah.
Now Sullivan entered into an agreement, I would call it illegal agreement with the so-called developer, and gave him this massive right inside, joining another community altogether.
That's Ugwaji.
Not Ugwaji, So that's how this problem started.
That's the person that owned this building. He did a video.
Yeah, he's one of the same. They could have come again. They could have come again.
Untouchable.
Yes, they could have come again.
Okay, pass.
Why the Jewish government now? I have that is just the situation. I need the Jewish government. So yeah, no way you go. Promise. Not get my assist to get to government. And I let them know today. Now most of the building were government approval. I can hear you in the news. No, a building where criminal hideout. You want to go? A building where criminal hideout. No, I can't do it for kidnappers. You understand? So we have showed him that over 30 building was demolished, not just a building. Then we let him know. Nandi can say approval. They will approval. My own building approvals are evidence. Now most of the buildings they were approval, which he asked me. The way can get reach with other people in the building how we could approve. I have just my own. Because I die between today and tomorrow. Can we tell you for the photocopy? And other relevant documents. Never is on a Centenary. I will take Korea because we have it. Behind our n'wetu na obi ala no mata ihe ọbụla ebogidere anyị asị na oji ihe nwata bụ ihe aka enu aka ga-afụ ya afọ ọ ga-ewote ya ọ bụ ihe mwute wee ya anyị na anyị na-arụ ụlọ na anyị tara afụfụ kpata ego were ya bịa wee rụọ ụlọ ka anyị wee biri nọrọ ka ibe anyị ụmụnne anyị wee sị mba na ya ma bikwe but it has gotten to the point ndị be anyị si na ọ bụ aka egbukwa egbu isi bụ onye gbukwe si atọ ya maka ihe ndị a bụrụ na ga-eme ọ bụ ebe ihe anyị nọ na on Wednesday biko ma ndị be anyị o ma ndị goro anyị ihe maka mmadụ niile nọ on platform ewe meeting na Dragon by 9 o'clock tonight.
So as you can see in this drive-through video, the only place that was demolished was Ndiago Amechi, that's particular area that we are in. So this area right here is leading to Jeridaya and El Shama estate. So as you can see, they are still in good shape, apart from the hotel by my left that was demolished. So we are going to be going around it now so that you will see it. All right, it was demolished around 2021. So according to what was said, it was also an illegal structure. Like, it's either they did not purchase from the right persons, or they did not do the necessary things to do. As you can see, look, this is the hotel that I'm talking about. So please always make sure to verify the property you are about to purchase. This community entirely is not necessarily part of Centenary City. Okay, now when this area was developed, what they called it was Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City. As Centenary City is one of the popular and the first estates in this area. Do not panic, this side is the only side that was affected, that is Ndiago Amechi, and it was affected because of what the government said, that is the news of kidnapping and illegal structures in this area. Apart from that, there is no issue with Centenary City. All right, now inside Centenary City they have Almond City Estate, they have Divine Acres and every other estate in that area, which is very safe to invest in. They have Grand Omega City Estate too. So all these estates inside Centenary City is very secure and well registered by the government. All right, so if you have a property inside Centenary City, just know that your plots are well secure. Okay, then there's other area, that is the Jeridaya, that is El Shama. They have City View in estate, they have Diaspora estate in that area. They are also safe. All right, this place that was destroyed was given as a compensatory plan to the people of Ndiago Amechi, which people sold without their consent, and it was used for kidnapping means. That's why this happened here. All right, so if you're interested in purchasing a land in Centenary City, or you're interested in investing in Centenary City, make sure you involve trusted real estate agents that can sacrifice their time and do thorough research and due diligence for you. Even if you don't have those, or your representative wants to do that for you, make sure that he or she does thorough research. Ask questions concerning the property you're about to buy before you purchase them. It is very important to save you a lot of stress and money. All right, make sure you do all the due diligence. Make sure that the property is not in court. Make sure you register your property with the Ministry of Land. Get approval from them first, because it's through this process that they will tell you if this plot you're about to buy is under government or has any issue with government or not. All right, now with these things you're going to do, with these processes you're going to follow, it will ensure that the plot you're buying is safe. As you can see, every other place is not affected in Centenary City apart from that area. All right, so just be safe, be calm, because Centenary City is a good place to invest in, not as people are shouting and claiming it to be. All right, one more thing, please make sure you buy from a verified company. Like I've said, I keep repeating this, make sure you buy inside an estate in Enugu State. Please stop buying community lands, because these people always have issue once the government changes. Please stop buying community lands. You will have a lot of problem in the future. So if you want to invest, make sure you invest inside an estate.